Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my experience on working on Fiverr. So this is my profile and just 1 or 2 weeks ago I got a message from my client of doing some quilling designs on this given 5 templates. I have done one template design on AutoDesk Sketchbook. As I wanted some of the fine spiral and curvy designs, that's why I used a sketchbook, and rest of the designs I did on Paint 3D. Well, this order is not my first order. Previously also I got 1 or 2 orders, but I can't disclose about it. So my experience on working on Fiverr is good. It takes some time to get an order, but someday you'll definitely get some work. According to your skills, make your profile, and also if you get an order, then be polite and patient with your client and at most try to complete it on time. If you get some nice reviews, then there is more chances of getting work. I hope this will be helpful for beginners. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.